Welcome to Astro Learnixar. Learn the language of the stars. In this short guide, I'll explain step by step how you can start learning Vedic and market astrology directly from your mobile. Let's begin. Step 1. Download the app. Go to Google Play Store and search for Astro Learnixar. Download and install the app on your Android phone. Right now it's available for Android, but very soon you'll also be able to access it through our official website. Step 2. Register your account. After installing, open the app and tap on Register. If you're new, create your account using your email ID and password. This helps us save your progress and provide you personalized access to upcoming courses. Step 3. Log into the app. Once registered, simply log in using your ID and password. After successful login, you'll enter the main dashboard of Astro Learnixar. Step 4. Select the course category. Here, you'll see multiple categories like all courses, astrology, and others. Tap on astrology to continue. Step 5. Find market astrology course. Scroll down a little. You'll find a section called published courses. Here, you'll see the market astrology course. Buy this course to get full access. It's a one-time fee, and once purchased, you'll get lifetime access to all future updates. Step 6. Access your course videos. After purchasing, you can watch the lessons in both English and Hindi. These are not pre-recorded courses. New topics are published regularly, step by step. Step 7. Check PDF notes and assignments. With each lesson, you'll also get downloadable PDF notes and sometimes assignments to test your understanding. Make sure you explore these resources for complete learning. Step 8. Join our Telegram community. Inside the course, you'll find a link to join our paid Telegram channel. Here we discuss concepts, clear doubts. You are now ready to begin your journey into Vedic and market astrology with me through Astro Learnixar. Step by step, you'll learn everything from basics to advanced prediction methods like Sarvatobhadra Chakra and planetary transits.